Hi, I'm Tofik. Now I'm introduced yourself how to simulate a circuit in a Pspice software. So let's start. To do this simulation circuit in this software, first we need to download the circuit. So we first search this software in Pspice in Google. Right? Yes, like this Pspice. And you can find this and you can find this in many options in Google. So you can download this many versions and I already download this and install in my computer. So I don't need this, but first you need to download and install this software. And it looks like this. It looks like arcade. It looks as arcade family release 9.2 and it shows many options. And so on these options we use schematics to draw our circuit, like schematics. And we click this, it looks like this schematics. This is our platform to draw a circuit. And you search that Pspice schematics, file, edit, draw, and many options. And that are the many options, and and this is the platform to write about. You can use draw these tools or use keyboard shortcut to draw any circuit. Now this is my first lesson, so I first introduce myself. So I first introduce yourself to how to write, how to write or how to draw a circuit easily. To this is the draw tool. You can use draw. This looks like this. And or you can right button, the arrow button is here. Or you can use Control W to write. This is the shortcut, Control W. Now it's the draw tool. Is the drawer. So you can draw yourself. Is the drawer. Control W, draw is the where. And you can use press delete. It will be easily delete. It will be easily. So to draw a circuit, first we need the elements. To draw the elements we need to get new part. Click get new part. You can find every options in this circuit. So there's the options, there are the components. There are many size of components. To draw the first components we need to resistance. To find resistance, type R. That the resistance looks like. And here R, R71, R7, many types of resistance. So these are first lesson. So first we use R for name R, description resistor. So we want to hear this and place this here. So this type place and close. Yes, these are resistance. We place this. So you can use this type, or you can use round it in the counterclockwise or anti-clockwise type. Press Control R, and it rotate like anti-clockwise. Control R, Control R, Control R. So we first place this and click right button. This looks like. And to draw a circuit we need a voltage source to supply this voltage. Type V. These are voltage source. VSE is a sine waveform. AC voltage source. VSE1. VDC is the voltage source. So click place and close, and these are voltage. So this looks like small. You can hear zoom in, zoom out, zoom in. Or to feed the circuit in this window you can use Control N. It looks like Control N. When you press Control N, it feeds the circuit in your monitor. So now I show you this previous version. To draw a wire, draw line, draw bus. We don't need draw bus now for this lesson, but we need draw wire. You can use this draw wire, you can use this dot, or you can press Control W. So I can press control, click here and click here. It will automatically join this. Now click here, click here. It will automatically join this. Now click here, click here. It will automatically join this. Now press Ctrl N. Oh, this looks like our circuit. Here's the board resistors V1, R1 resistance 1 kilo ohm, R2 resistance 1 kilo ohm. When you first place this resistors, it will automatically default 1 kilo ohm. So if you want to change it, this part, click this part 1 kilo ohm, press double click, and looks like here's the value. You can use any value and any value on this and use how you want to use. So I press 10 ohm. When you use 10 ohm, you don't need to type ohm, but when you use 2 kilo ohm, you need type to k. So first I use ohm, so don't you need to type anyone. So okay, R1, and this is my R2, R1. So here I use 5 ohm, so press 5, and as I don't use 2 kilo ohm, so I don't need to type ohm. So 5, this is my ohm, and this is the V1. You can change the name of the V1 as it here refers to disaster V1. You can change anything in that and press OK. It will change automatically. And here B 0 volt, you press. I hear 10 volt. Yes, 10 volt. But B is the necessary part you here to recognize this circuit. This is a voltage source and it is 10 volt. Okay, this is my circuit, and to simulate this circuit, first we need to ground earth. When you use get new part, it will automatically adjust this get recent part, and I use this circuit before, and there are my recent ads. This is my first lesson, but so I introduce yourself to how to find grand art option in a green new part. So type G and D grant underscore EARTH art. Part name grant arts, description grant ground. You can see description grant ground, and this is my ground looks like. So place and close and press this and mouse right button here, and this looks like and right button, it will automatically disappear, or you can press escape to disappear it. So I lose this, my ground is not seen in this in my monitor. So first I tell you to feed this circuit in your monitor, press Ctrl N, and this will feed my circuit. Yes, this circuit looks like, and here is a node, and when this node looks like round blue round blue shape. So this is my circuit. So first, to simulate the circuit, first we need to save it. Press file, save as. You can easily save this in any place, but to save this in any place, you first need to create a folder, because when you save this file, it creates many data. So in any drives you say it, in any drives you save it, and it will looks like odd. So but you can use it in a folder, this inside this folder. So first I save to folder, so I save to this save as, or you can use Control S to save this, Control S. So I find this, I make this new folder and find this desktop, new folder option, schematic 1. Here is the file name, default schematic, and you can use any one you want, but don't use any extension. Just my name is Tawfiq, so I use Tawfiq. Yes, save. My circuit is saved, or you can press yes Control S to save it. Now my circuit is simulate. My circuit is also simulate. Oh, sorry, I can't see you one thing. To simulate our circuits, we need to, when we save them, when we save the circuit. Sorry, my avast is look, this is a yes. Yes, sorry, I want to sorry, this is my mistake. I want to tell you how to simulate it. When you save this file, you can see the analyze option. Click analyze option, simulate. Write this simulate option, simulate, press, or you can use keyboard control F1, simulate, or you can use this option, type this yellow part. When your mouse arrow in this, you can see that simulate, you can see the simulate option, so you can use this also to simulate your part. So my simulation is complete. When simulation is complete, you can see this part of you can see this part. This is the part piece topic Pspice, because I save this topic, yeah, this topic Pspice add. This is the curve option. So first, this is my first version. I don't need to use see the curve, but I want to describe you how to simulate a simple circuit. So my simple circuit, so how can I understand my simulation is complete? So you can understand this simulation is complete when you see this part, and when you see this part and press V and I. Here is the V for voltage, and I is the current. When you press this will enable you this voltage and current. Here my simulation is complete, and I see this 10 volt, and it show this part. That means 10 volt pass this line, 666.6 ampere milliampere can flow this angle. This will show this flow this angle, or you can easily drag it. Yes, this is a 6.67 ohm plus the current voltage it this where, and 66.7 current, the current pass from this R2 resistance pass this here, and it easily shows the direction, and this is the ground, so there's no voltage, there's voltage 0, and this is the voltage 10 volt, and 66 ampere current pass this option. So this is my first lesson, and I want to show you that how to simulate a simple circuit in Pspice software. So I want to tell you, if you have any problem, comment in my option. Thank you for watching. Thank 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 you for watching this video. Yes, thank you for watching this video.